more common things that we stumble across when it comes to polygyny. Roles. When I talk to individuals who are practicing polygyny, I may hear people say something like, okay, got the first wife who initially was with the man, and then he brings other wives in, and it's 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 like the first wife gets everything, the second wife gets a little bit here, the third wife, there's almost not enough for the third wife. And then there's conflict between the wives because the first wife feels that she's above the second and third wife. She should always get more than the second and third wife. In polygyny, I can't stress enough how important it is for it to have some type of equalness about it, fairness. There shouldn't be ranks in polygyny. Just my personal view. I don't know if in our culture there was supposed to be ranks or if there was a way it was supposed to be practiced. But in polygyny, everyone should be able to be happy. Everyone needs should be able to be met. Whatever each individual woman would like to have in polygyny, they should be able to have some type of fulfillment. There's nothing wrong with each individual wife having one certain thing and the other wife having another. Happiness should be the key amongst this dynamic and amongst this relationship. The focus and the children, that should be one of the things that's most important in polygyny. But I just wanted to make this quick video. I know that ranks are a common issue when it comes to polygyny. And I guess that part particularly was the main reason for me making this video. Because I don't think it's right. I don't think there should be any ranks. That's mainly the thing. Like, polygyny, like I've had people share that, maybe one of the wives like served the first wife and things like that. I just think some of the shit, it just starts to sound crazy. So it would be nice to get some comments from my subscribers if you know somebody who's properly practicing polygyny, what the roles are, or if you are or if you are actually practicing polygyny yourself, or have practiced and know what has worked for you in the past. Please comment below, let me know. But I know that there's just so many actual horror stories, not just from a monogamous perspective, actual practitioners of polygyny. So I did feel a need to make this video. Please comment below. Comments are needed.